how to fix KB5089549 something didn't go as planned, undoing changes in Windows 11 25H2 or 24H2. Hello friends, you might be facing this issue when trying to install KB5089549 on Windows 11. During this process, the update is downloaded, but when you restart your computer, the screen shows this error message. The full error message is something didn't go as planned. No need to worry, undoing changes. Please keep your computer on. You see this message continuously for some time on the screen and the update is uninstalled or rolled back. The issue occurs because of insufficient space in the EFI partition. To free up the space, you may have to delete fonts and place BIOS to another drive. Follow the steps for this. The first method is delete fonts from EFI partition. To delete the fonts, launch the command prompt, click on search, type CMD, right click on the result and select run as administrator. Click on yes. Now go to the video description and click on the link given there. A file will be downloaded. You will find some commands in the file. You have to run those commands. These are the commands. To delete fonts from EFI partition, copy the first line, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Copy the second line, paste into the command prompt, press enter. In the same way, third line, hit enter. Next line, and the last line. This much space is freed by deleting the fonts in the EFI partition. Now move BIOS image to another directory. To move the BIOS, some commands are given. These commands depends on the manufacturer of the device. For HP computers, this command. For Lenovo, run these commands. For Dell computer, these commands. And for SS computers, these commands. Now run this command. This will take you to System32 folder. Now move the BIOS image. For example, I have Lenovo computers. I will run these commands. Copy the command, paste into the command prompt, hit enter. Copy the command, paste, enter. This much byte has been freed. Once complete running, close the command prompt and restart your computer. After restarting, click on Start, Settings, Windows Update and check for updates. When the security update is downloaded, restart your computer to complete the installation. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.